My name is Mateusz and I'm representing Intrex. We are a Polish manufacturer of turnkey labeling and marking solution. Our pharma customer requested from us a unique solution that combines high-speed labeling with coding on pharma bottles. Together with Domino and KNP, we designed a solution based on our high-speed labeling system combined with a TTO printer and UV laser supplied by Domino.
Hello, I'm Mateusz, a designer at Intrex. At our company, we treat each machine as a unique project. We believe that this approach allows us to meet all customers' requirements. In the case of the Aspen project, we started by gathering the customer's needs, those contained in the URS and those explained to us during initial discussions. Then, after preparing a conceptual drawing, we arranged a meeting with the client to discuss the results of the design phase. Once the design phase was approved, we began manufacturing and ordering all the parts needed to assemble the entire system. Last but not least, we prepared the documentation. Thanks to our experience in providing the solutions to the pharmaceutical industry, we are able to meet the highest standard in this aspect as well.
The process begins with selecting the appropriate program from the control panel and using a hand scanner to verify to ensure that the product will be labeled with the correct label. Our scanner is also able to read UV codes. After separation, each product is positioned. Before the application of the label, we print the required data with the Domino V-Series printer and then verify its readability and quality with a vision system. For end user, we've developed an innovative label rejection system that allows us to reject only the label instead of the entire product. After applying labels to both sides of the product, we verify the presence of the label. If any product is detected as incorrect, it is rejected using a pneumatic pusher. We've designed a double rejection box to make the operator's job easier. This allows separating products based on the reason for rejection. Finally, the product is transferred to the laser section of the machine, where the Domino U-Series laser coded from the bottom.
An important part of finding the right solution for our customers is choosing the right laser technology. Domino has a wide range of possibilities with CO2, fiber and UV lasers. Our European sample lab in Hamburg carries out the necessary examinations with their many years of experience and expertise in material sciences and coding. When we tested our products on Aspen's HDPE bottle, our latest laser product, the U510, was able to deliver the best possible result, high contrast and excellent code quality.
Of course, this marking is also verified with the Cognex vision system. We are always focusing on tailoring our solution to customer requirements. So in this solution, we've implemented two control panels to enable operation from both sides. KNP Vision software integrated control over Intrex Stabler, Domino marking equipment and Cognex vision systems. Thanks to this, customer can operate the machine from one place. The software was prepared to include 3 modes of work to suit different needs. We can freely choose if we would like to only apply label, code or both. Thanks to the possibility of adding mechanical adjustment and programs to the control panel, the changeover is easier than ever before.